Check out this sweet Thrive listing in North Central Park. Hello friends, this is Dan Max at eXp Realty, aka the Trading Agent. We're here at 4982 Unta Street here in Central Park doing an open house here from 1 to 3, and just wanted to check in and see how everyone was doing. Our good friend Rachel Drake has let me open this house up for folks to come check out, and yeah, let's just take a quick walk through it and just let you guys know what we're seeing here. First thing that you will observe about this house is an awesome landscaping. The grass is amazing condition. I mean, I feel like you could putt off of it if you wanted to. Great stuff. Nice cozy house, 4-bedroom, 4-bath. We're asking 1.03 million. This house has 4 bedrooms, 4 baths, 3,200 square feet. You're gonna see why it's so awesome. Walk in, look at this built-in cabinetry into your office. You have powder doors here. You have a nice formal dining room, love it. You got the butler's pantry here. And as you walk into the kitchen, check this out. Awesome microwave down lower, love that. Range with the hood, nice cabinetry. Here you go. Very big living space. Again, you have the formal dining room, but you also have the side space. Big fan of large countertops and tons of space. Have a little pocket office right there. Can't go wrong with that. Pretty awesome so far. As we continue walking around, this house is great in that it has 2 side yards, easements, because of it's the end lot. Again, great grass. If you wanted to chip and putt, probably good. You have a nice little space here. Concreted out the patio. You got some nice pea gravel. Little space to hang out. Big fan. One of the things about Central Park living, as most of you guys might know or not know, we have tons of parks. That's the benefit of Central Park, is that we have a small HOA that gives you access to pools and parks for free. Here's your 2-car garage. Let's check out the side yard. I have a built-in kennel for the dog, which I guess if you really wanted to do such, you got the space for it. You could probably put in a nice little flower bed. Again, it's a solid side yard, because in Central Park you usually only get one, and since they are an end unit, they have 2 easements to side yards. All right, sorry to flip around. Let's go check out the downstairs real quick. It's powder room as you walk in. Boom. Again, if you have any questions about real estate, please don't hesitate to reach out. I think people are misinterpreting the markets near term in the sense that they think they're going to continue to fall. I think in time prices will stabilize, but interest rates are coming down near term. All right, here we go. Here is your nice bonus room, hang out. There you go, how about that? Sorry about the fuzziness. This is great, tons of space down here. It's like at least 700-800 square feet. You've got a closet under the basement, or under the stairs. And another bedroom down here. A little sliding closet door. Full bathroom with a shower, private door to the bath. And then you have the utility room. Got a couple 100 square feet, not much, but here's where all your mechanicals are. So back to the market in general, like rates will come down, I think, near term because of the recession fears. But if this is like the 70s and 80s, interest rates will not stay low forever. So affordability might be the best time right now to buy a house. A lot of people say, oh, that's what real estate agents say all the time. Well, when you see the markets and you see inflation, you start thinking, well, what's the best hedge? Real estate. People need places to live, always. They don't need to buy stocks. They don't need to buy bonds. They don't necessarily need to buy gasoline. They need houses. So they will hold up. They will be the best hedge, in my opinion. If you're not familiar with how to invest in real estate, check it out. Check out my website. Feel free to ask questions. Let me know how I can help you. Here's the master bedroom. Nice space. Here's the master bathroom. You have 2 sinks, nice shower with a tub. It's nice to have the poured shower floor. Here's your little water closet. Here's the closet. I want to get in there, public stuff. And then you got another little closet for towels. Love the trim above the doors. Here's your laundry unit. There you go. And let's finish it off with the 2 side bedrooms. Say they're like 10 by 12. Perfect for kids. Nice little closets. Another spare closet. Here you go. Here's another full bath. And here we are. Here's the end of the tour. If you have any questions, again, about real estate, please don't hesitate to reach out. At worst, I can at least advise you on some things. Maybe if you need to find a referral for an agent in the area you live, please don't hesitate to reach out because I can help out with that. If I am able to help you, then you'll get 2 agents for the price of 1. And remember, the sellers pay the commission, so it is free. All right, if you have questions, 720-255-1033. Talk to you later.